Hiya. So I thought I would show you a couple of videos to do with self-care. This one's going to be about headaches and how we can alleviate our headaches with a little bit of facial reflexology and strain behind the eyes as well. So find somewhere nice and quiet and follow me. So press up for 3 and release, and again, release, and again, release. Now pinch the bridge of your nose for 3, and again, and last time. Now I'd like you to work your temples. In for 3, release, release, release. Now just work just in here for 3, release, and last time. Before making a triangular pattern on your cheek, press before moving on to the next point. Getting smaller. Look at both cheeks at the same time. And right up to the bones. And then last, work behind your ear.